Morning.
Morning. Let's go outside and see in what type of environment we actually are, because I literally haven't seen outside. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh, jeez. Well, it's, I guess, safe to say that it's nice in here. It's freezing cold, so I'll get gloves and start packing. Those rocks were covered in a very thin layer of ice, though I took my chances. Oh, the sun! Praise the sun! It's 10:40-ish,
Yeah, roughly.
something like that. We've been on foot for roughly 2 hours now. It's fine. It's not very challenging. Yeah, it's alright.
Just had to get used to walking on the snow.
Yeah.
But that's it.
Yeah. So now we're heading to Nethermost Spike, which is 2,923 feet, which is in meters, probably 750-ish, something like that. But yeah, it's going great. We had very short trail mix breakfast. It's cold tea, but it's alright. We have to check in.
Just reached the peak of Helvellyn, and now we can actually see the red tarn on the bottom there. Striding edge, swirling edge. It's actually covered by cloud mostly.
This is the peak.
Highest point of today.
Yeah. From now it's all going downhill. It's all going downhill. Not sure if you can see how steep it is, but especially in icy conditions, there's something. Today for lunch is chicken tikka and rice. Dennis was fuming because I've accidentally spent an hour for lunch and he had to wait for me out in the cold. In my defense though, I didn't know that my gas bottle was ending and didn't hit the pot properly. So we just literally like 2 seconds ago stepped from the mountain and...
You don't really want to know how far we went.
It's like 2 miles, probably less. 2 miles. Yeah. It was, I mean, to our defense, it was steep. But yeah, so now we are in a valley between Helvellyn and some other mountain that we don't remember the name.
And some lake that we don't remember the name of as well.
Remember when I told you that there will be no drama anymore after I turned on the car lights? Well, I was flying a drone to get some very nice shots, and suddenly my controller starts beeping saying low voltage landing, and then my phone disconnected. I have no idea where my drone is, and it's landing. I was really happy that DJI included the option to override landing, automatic landing, and I was able to get back home. You know, if it would land somewhere in a field, that would be fine, but it was in the middle of the lake, and you know, to swim to that drone would be, I don't know, 100-200 meters swim, which is, first of all, it's winter, second of all, it's long swim. So yeah, but luckily we got it back, changed the battery, did the shots, everything's fine. We have finally reached the furthest point from the car, and now it's what, 3 o'clock ish. So yeah, it will be dark in an hour. So yeah, I'm not sure what else to say. You can probably guess that we're kind of behind our plan. So yeah, that's the short update, and I don't know what to say else besides just look at it. Ah, so good. This is the last uphill section of today, hopefully. I think so. And then we will be looking for a camping spot. We kind of know where we will camp, most likely near a tiny pond, but we still need to find the exact camping spot. And well, I'm not sure about diners, but I feel really tired.
I'm getting there too.
Same.
I'm actually tempted to take my backpack off and do some scouting around.
Sure.
Because I think we are close.
Soon enough, we found a somewhat flat spot under a couple of spruces, although it took some time to clear all the tree cones and tiny branches from there. Today we did a bit more than 19 kilometers with 1008 meters of incline, walking around Thirlmere Lake. Since it was just around 7 PM, for the first time in a while, we didn't need to rush food preparation. But we are that tired, so it didn't take us long to aim for sleeping bags. I've just brushed my teeth and refilled our water resources because we have a stream running just probably 5 meters from our tent. But that's it for today. We are really tired. I guess that's good night. So that's day 2 of Lake District, Helvellyn surroundings adventure. Anyway, stay happy guys. Good night.